Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add artboard or how to add canvas in your Photoshop. So here I have opened a simple photo in my Photoshop. So what you need to do is you need to right click here and select I'm sorry, you need to right click here and select artboard from layers. So you can rename the artboard from here and click OK. Once you click OK, so you will get the artboard here. So what you need to do is come here and long click here on the move tool and select the artboard tool. So when you select the artboard tool, you can add multiple artboards here by clicking on this plus icon. So when you click on the right plus icon, it will add artboard to the right side of the initial artboard, and when you click on the bottom plus icon, it will add artboard to the bottom side, and so on. You can add artboard to any any side of the initial artboard. So you can also see that the names of these artboard are added by default, and yes, you can add your artboard by default uh, like this. So this is how you can add artboard or canvas in your Photoshop. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.